unlimited mutton and chicken thalis in Pune is one of the best things that could ever happen to us. And we were shell shocked by this little restaurant in Wanori this Saturday. We traveled all the way from Baner to Fatima Nagar in Wanavli. That's on the opposite end of where we live. Because we got to know from one of our friends that the food here is great.
We won't know until we go inside and find out, right guys? Hello everyone, my name is Gavin and that's Adrian. Usually on the weekends we are on the move to explore great restaurants for you guys. So let's head inside now and check out their ambience, the menu and the food. Well, it's a simple restaurant, some tables on the outside, but we won't sit here because in the afternoons the weather seems to have a mind of its own lately, and early mornings it's a totally different story. Let's go further inside. So if you have a look here, there are some staff right here and that's the kitchen. And if you have a look here, there are these stairs which are leading us on the first floor. Actually it's a first little floor. If you have a look here, the ceiling is right here and I have Adrian here with me. So if you have a look here, there are a few tables here. We wanted to get away from the heat, that's why we are seated right here. Now let's quickly have a look at their menu. So guys, as you know, this place is famous for their thali. We have veg thalis here, chicken thali, egg thali, and apart from that there is mutton thali. There is also fish thali right here. So as usual, we want to show you the complete menu. You can pause the video and have a look at all the prices. There are veg and non-veg starters. There is some more main course items right here, and along with this they even have biryani. So this is a bit surprising, and this is very surprising, they even have burgers and rolls here, and they have desserts. Through this channel we don't want to take you only to the big places, we want to get you here to these small places as well. And we've got to know from some of our friends that the food here is very good. That's why we came all the way from Mane right here in Wanori, Fatima Nagar, to show you this restaurant. Well guys, Adrian here is going to tell us what we've ordered. So Adrian, please tell our viewers.
Yeah, so we've gone for the chicken thali, we've gone for the mutton thali, and there's a great surprise for you all. So please watch until the end.
Yes guys, so stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Well guys, as Adrian said, we are going to go for the mutton thali. So it's not just a mutton thali, it's going to be a Thorat special mutton thali. And along with that, it's not just going to be a chicken thali, it's going to be a Thorat special chicken thali. So there is a lot of stuff that you get in the thali, and as she said, there's a surprise entry in today's video, but we are not going to reveal that right now. You have to keep watching the video till the end. Look at this beautiful looking thali guys. So as I told you earlier, it's not just a mutton thali, but it's a Thorat special mutton thali. And forgive me, I have to go through this again. So this one right here is the mutton fry, this is the alni rassa, this is the tamda rassa, this is the pandra rassa. Okay, so tamda means red and pandra obviously means white. So rassa is gravy, and this one right here is the mutton keema masala, and this is the egg masala, and this here is the gorgeous looking Indrani rice. Adrian and myself, we love this. And along with the thali you get bhakri and chapati and lacha paratha and salad. And Adrian has her thali right here. So this one right here is the Thorat special chicken thali. So just like the mutton special thali, this is the chicken fry, this is the egg masala, this is the alni rassa, tamda rassa, pandra rassa, and this one has keema as well, Indrani rice, salad, and obviously there are options here. You can take the chapati, bhakri or lacha paratha. So guys, our table is jam packed, and this was our surprise entry. So we haven't gotten over our hangover from Goa, that's why we've ordered the surmai. So this is the kingfish, generous amount, these are 2 pieces, and it has lime and salad. We are going to squeeze this over. So guys, this is the difficult part when there is such amazing looking food in front of you. It's difficult to talk because you're continuously salivating. So let's go for this and try. So this is the bhakri guys, and I'm going to have this with the keema. So look at how tempting the keema is right here. I want to scoop some of this. Look at this, guys. I'm so sorry, I haven't eaten anything since a while, and this keema is a bit spicy, but as I was expecting it, just looking at the texture, the keema is full of flavor, and I actually want to get more of this right here. So look at this, guys. Such beautiful colors of the gravy. The mince meat is cooked really well. It is soft. And where do I go next? So this one is the mutton fry, guys. Look at the amount of pieces that we've gotten here, and this is loaded with meat. Guys, check how soft this is, and let me take a bite. Lovely flavor, again a bit spicy, has the perfect amount of fat and meat on it. And let me quickly grab a spoon and let's try the egg masala. So this is the egg masala, guys. Boiled egg in the masala. Wow. Best part is this and this taste so different, and I guess it's time for me to get the Indrani rice out. So if you have a look, it has a very sticky texture. That is how it is supposed to be. Now let's put a bit of tamda rasa on it. That's how you should have it, guys. And a bit of mutton, obviously. Let's mix all of this yummy goodness and try this out. Perfect Indrani rice, sticky, has a lot of ghee in it, and tastes great with the rasa. This is one of my tricks that I use, guys. It's a thali. You have to get messy. And now let's try the pandra rasa. So I'm going to have it straight from this little katori here. Oh, super pandra rasa. One of the best I've had, guys. It's really very yummy. Now let's go for the halni. So this is something which we like a lot as well. It is light, and it goes down really smoothly when it's warm. Again, it's hot, full of flavor, guys. So that was my review of the mutton thali. Wait, let me check quickly. Did I miss anything? Yeah, there's salad here, regular salad, but I'm going to still taste it. Nice. It has a bit of sweetness to it, and it has a bit of curd on it as well. So this was the bajra bhakri, and that was my review, guys. Well, Adrian right here was so hesitant before moving to India, and guys, I want to ask her the big question. Adrian, you have your chicken thali. Obviously, this is a super hit in Pune. And what is your review, Adrian?
I've lived in Bahrain for such a long time and I've never tasted anything as good as this thali. Mutton and the chicken thali is literally on another level.
So you got the leg piece, the chicken leg piece, Adrian. Tell us quickly how's the food.
The spices are really good.
Yes,
and
it's spicy.
And it blends well with the chicken, and the chicken is really succulent.
That's nice. So even the mutton was soft, and look at the lovely looking meat, guys. Congratulations, Adrian, on your Audi. Could you please break this apart and show this lovely looking piece of surmai kingfish to our viewers? So obviously, guys, we are back from Goa and we are suffering from this Goa hangover that we can't get rid of. That's why we decided to get a little bit of seafood with our thali. So Adrian, please tell our viewers what this tastes like. Go for it. Yeah.
It's crispy.
Nice, it's crispy. So it's not like the usual reshado or the other flavors that we get in Goa. And if you see here, it's coated with rava. So what about the masala, guys? I guess you must be tasting different kinds of masala.
It's-
What do you taste?
It's more Maharashtrian, Malwani type.
Maharashtrian flavors. That is lovely. And look at how gorgeous it looks. Well, guys, that was a quick review of the beautiful looking food we have on our tables. And we want to thank you guys for supporting our channel, because our channel is being watched all the way in the USA, the UK, Germany, Switzerland, the Middle East, you name it, even Mauritius, guys. We are surprised to see the number of countries that was showing up in our analytics. And we will be visiting a restaurant soon that is recommended to us by our viewers. So guys, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and obviously Adrian here is thankful as well. If you want to support our channel, there is a join option below the video, because you know we have to travel to a lot of places, and we spend for the food as well. So guys, if you want to support us, you can click on the join option and show us your support in the comments as well. There are multiple options in which you can support us. So guys, just check this out. We are not yet done with the food. I just wanted to show you quickly what's there on our table. So we are going to take our time and review all this beautiful food that we have here, guys. So until the next video, in fact until tomorrow, take care, stay safe and be positive.